What's the meaning of ambiguously? Ambiguously. 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 Ambiguously.
Ambiguously refers to a situation or statement that can be interpreted in more than one way and is therefore unclear or confusing. It is often used when there is a lack of clarity or precision in a particular context. For example, an ambiguous question may have multiple possible answers, or an ambiguous message may be open to different interpretations. In general, ambiguity can lead to misunderstandings and uncertainty. Therefore, it is important to avoid ambiguity when possible and strive for clarity and specificity in communication.